Looking for sliding doors? Look no further, because at Excel Hardware, we only offer you the best. Introducing the Ballerini. The Ballerini comes with a top and bottom track, which ensures its stability. The bottom tracks of the Ballerini comes with a track cover, preventing debris from accumulating. The Ballerini also comes with a safety soft closing feature to protect you. Each door of the Ballerini can hold up to 50 kilograms, so what are you waiting for? Get the Ballerini today.
This system comes in 2-door and 3-door variations. It also comes in light, medium and heavy duty. In order to find out which weight capacity that you need, simply divide the door's height by 3. For example, a door that has 2.4 meters in height divided by 3 is 800 mm. That is your width, and that is also your medium duty. So anything below that, say 700 mm, is your light duty. Anything above that, say 1000 mm, is heavy duty. This system can handle up to 80 kilograms in weight for the door and also comes with soft closing feature.
If you're looking for the ultimate luxury, then Indro is the system for you. This completely inline and flush system is extremely easy to operate. Just give it a pull and the doors will open and overlap over one another. Whenever you want to close it, another simple small pull and they go back completely flush and completely in line. So again, if high-end luxury is what you're looking for, then Indro is the one for you.